Do you know this book? Well, guess what we're doing this week? Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rick Santana. Thank you so much for being here. This week, we are at the Jim Jones firing range in Payson, Arizona. And I'm here because recently I came across my video from this guy. And in that video, these two guys were there. Constantine called this the best class ever. Sure caught my attention to watch the video, so I went out there and I found this book by these two guys. We are here to try it, test it, and see how much this book can do for us. The goal here is to put these things to the test and see if they can yield the results that they offer that they can yield. You can be watching this. You will find out what the book is asking you to do. And based on the result that you see, you can determine if this is a good book for you and if you want to go get it. This training material, they have split it in 4 levels. Level number 1 is for people like me, maybe you, who are just starting in USPSA. And they say level 1 will help you get to a match and walk out of the match with no misses. I think that is super enticing. Level 4, which is the highest level, is a level that is meant for people who are experts, masters, grandmasters who still want to further refine their skills. So between here and there, I still have a lot of ground to cover. So in this particular book, the first week of exercises that it recommends me to do is to focus on practical accuracy and to do some single-handed shooting. They make it very easy on the first week. No time constraints, no time pressure, just focus on 2 key outputs. Output number 1 is focus on your grip. Make sure that your grip is consistent and that you can handle that recoil without any problem. And number 2, do these drills without a time constraint. I think that's pretty awesome. To that, we got ourselves a few of these targets and we're going to practice at 7, 15, and 25 yards. And this exercise has a very specific evolution. It is saying draw from the holster and shoot alphas from these distances. But also it is saying try this exercise one-handed. Awesome. That means that we're going to go from the holster and we're going to be engaging the target at 7, 15, and 25 yards. And then we're going to go from the holster and engage the target at 7, 15, and 25 yards with a strong hand. And we're going to go then transition into the weak hand and engage at the very same 3 distances. Again, the goal is all alphas. Let's see how we do. Let's go see. Single-handed, 15 yards. Let's go see. Let's go see. Let's go see. Let's go see. That's 6. Let's go see. All right, so you have seen what we have done today. 2 very simple drills, one practical accuracy at 7, 15, and 25 yards, and the other one is single-handed shooting with both the weak hand and the strong hand at 7 and 15 yards. My goal is not to convince you to buy the book, but rather just show you what is it that the book is offering and for you to see the progress that I can make by putting into practice these exercises. And then you decide if this is something that is useful and beneficial to you. Everyone, thank you so much. We will see you next time.